are rolling out some rhythmic revelry. It's time for kitchen sink-o-pation fun, as we are cooking it with the Jammin Chefs.
Yes, chef.
I like it. All right, crew, let's get this place organized. Get it going. Yes.
No, I'm good. I see that. We need time.
How we looking? All right, looking good, everyone. Well, hello, everyone.
Hello.
Try again. I said hello, everyone.
Hello.
That's more like it. I am Executive Chef Gorgonzola. We are the Jammin Chefs, and we're extremely proud to be here at the Food and Wine Festival to present a cooking demonstration of the 3 unique ingredients that are traditionally found in my cuisine. Welcome to Executive Chef Gorgonzola's Rolling Kitchen! Okay. As I was saying, my sous chefs here are each experts in their own specialty. Ready?
Yes, chef.
Heard?
Yes, chef.
Now, allow me to introduce you to my 3 amazing sous chefs. First, the chef who has a wild passion for all things spicy. It's Chef Jalapeno. Next, the chef who specializes in the smooth roll and simmer. It's Chef Alfredo. And last but certainly not least, the chef who brings the texture and that satisfying crunch. It's Chef Hop Corn. We don't just celebrate food, we elevate food, yes. And helping with our preparations, I have my kitchen assistants, Daisy Duck and Clarabelle Cow. And my 2 eager apprentices, Chip and Dick. Sorry. Chip and Delicious. And today, I will lead this cast iron crew in demonstrating our twist on the classic. Now pay close attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led to advice that is sound. This is why I've assembled this talented team who will help demonstrate for you how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture with techniques that call for precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! up to your stations. My team, seasoned professionals, who relish a good joke. Hey, it was food enough in rehearsal. That's ratatouille, a signature dish of France. To begin any good recipe, we must work together as a team. And I run a very strict kitchen. But today I will leaven my attitude by inviting all of you in the dining section to help prepare the mise en place. Now, first rule in my kitchen, watch closely and follow along. It's time to slice and dice. All right, first up, Chef Cow, master on the cutting board. Show us how it's done. We slice, and dice. Everyone now, we slice, and it's just we slice. I don't see you doing it. Here we go. We slice. There you go. Slice, and dice. Chef Cow, expert at perfect. Here we go. We layer and layer and layer. You can do it too now. Here we go. Layer and layer. That's more like it. And layer it. One more time. Layer and layer. Nice and evenly layer and layer it. Now we know we have the sauce. Let's add a little spice. Alfredo. We sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. Not too much. Sauce and spice. And we add the chef's kiss. Now that you have all the ingredients, it's time to put it all together. If you're ready, say yes, chef. Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Here we go. We slice. Yes, we slice. And dice. Now layer. And layer. You got it. Now sauce. Sauce and spice. Not too much. Sauce and spice. Sauce and spice. And we add the chef's kiss. Now, like I say, practice makes perfect. So let's do it again. We slice and dice. Now layer and layer. Oh, you are natural. Now sauce and spice. We sauce and spice. Sauce and spice. And we add the chef's kiss. Excellent work. You have all earned the right to be called my honorary line cook. And now, as a special treat, my sous chefs will cook up a storm. So as you can see, I've hand-selected my sous chefs for a very specific reason. They really are the best sous chefs. You know what? If I told them, it's really true. They want that perfect It really is. This is not what I taught you. This is a recipe for disaster. I'm not really the big cheese. I just stink, don't I?
No.
It's gonna be too crunchy, too spicy, too smooth. Texture creamy stuff. Taste it. All right. It's masterful. It's beautiful. It's magic. You almost can't One more time, music. So good. Pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you, crew. So you see, sometimes the most delicious discoveries come from when everyone adds what they love to the recipe. We may have different rhythms, but mix it up together in its kitchen sink-o-pation. Well, go enjoy, taste everything, because food, like life, is a celebration.